What's up, guys? Core here with the gold plane. Not the finish I wanted with the metal detector, but hopefully we can turn the plane around. Let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, this is so hard! No, I'm done! Gears down! Come on! I'm still up! Oh! Corey's down! I'm still up, baby! Victory flyby!
I want to take him down so bad.
Bring it, dude! Oh!
I got third!
Ty, are you still alive?
I'm alive!
Kobe's gone! What a save! Down! Catch it, T, catch it! Hand in the hand!
Coming in! Coming in!
Captain Ty, nice catch!
I was afraid that was gonna hurt.
Finale, bro!
Yeah!
Did he actually make it?
I did, I was third.
2019 is kind of the year of last places for me.
Still on a losing streak.
With these fancy goggles, we'll be able to see what our plane sees. The goal is to radio in the code before getting shot down.
All right, Cody got third place in the first competition, so he is going first. Our job is to shoot him down before he can radio in our code. You boys ready? Yes, sir.
Woo! Here we are, round 2. All I gotta do is get in second place. Here we go.
Boy, you in so much trouble!
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
You have eyes on him? I got eyes.
LJ3Y.
Don't run at him!
2, 4, 6. I don't know if I got it right, but I went for it. Oh, they shot me down though.
I will say, he got correct. The LJ3Y24.
We dropped him. Yeah, we did. 6 out of 8 letters. It's a good run. All right, Cobes, you're up.
My heart is pounding. Cody got 6 out of 8, but that is beatable. Let's go!
Here we go, baby.
Oh, yeah! Beautiful takeoff! 2Y4 CA3JL. Let's go! 8 letters! Boom!
I'm not out of it, but I am on the chopping block. Ty, I think you're up, buddy.
Good luck to you, my man. You can't wear Sandys and shoot planes down. What am I thinking? What's up, guys? Unfortunately, we ran out of this little thing called daylight yesterday. So, hey, day 2, here we go, fresh start. I'm gonna come in hot. I'm not scared, you know? I've got moves like this. Oh, Peppy, watch out, there's a bogey on your tail. Oh. Can we fix that?
You guys know the stakes. Tyler's up. We gotta shoot him down, launch me into the finale to play this guy. It could be Kobe's second ever battle. Good
Let's
luck.
go!
Take him down.
Y2, I think.
Dude, I definitely hit his belly!
Y2AL3CJ4! I think I got it. I think I got it.
What happened? He's down.
Did you get shot down or did you, I wanted to make sure I could see it clearly, but the only way to do that was really to come in hot.
The coordinates were delivered. Bombs away, boys.
Folks, that's it. I'm out. Ty's in.
I'll see you in the finale, boy!
Welcome to round 3, Cobes. Can't believe I'm saying this. Welcome to the finale.
Welcome to the finale to you, T.
Oh.
It's been a while.
No, I've been there. So what we got here, round 3, troop drop, the closest to the pin, if you will. We've got a quick detach little button on our remote. We come flying over. Drop troops, drop troops. Poosh. They all parachute down. Mine will probably be a foot from the flag. Kobe's will be in the pond. That's
Flip that.
my prediction. Yeah, Kobe's going first. Hey, good luck though. Enjoy that.
Can't wait! Let's do it! 3, 2, 1.
Here we go, drop it now.
Get there! Oh, it's good! Come on! Come on! Come on! Yes! Yes! That much more exciting.
That was the greatest performance I've ever seen.
Thank you.
We've seen crazier comebacks from Ty.
Please, Lord, not today.